Okay. So good day everyone, this is group 2. So today we will demonstrate to you an aerobic exercise training program. So aerobic exercise, it helps us to improve our cardiovascular health, burn calories, and strengthen our muscle. So before we start, is it important to have a warm-up at least 1 to 2 minutes. So let's warm up. So first, marching in place.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Next. 8 counts.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ganito naman.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Now, let's proceed to the exercise that we call butt kicks and skaters. This exercise helps us to gain stamina, coordination, and strengthen the legs and our glutes. First, butt kicks. Move your feet like kicking your butt, like this. Second, move your arm like running, like this. Then now, let's do the butt kicks. Next, skaters. Jump sideways like this. Second, swing your arm like swing. Like this. Like this. Oh yeah.
Sige, parang bawal na malayan, di ba?
Let's do the skaters. Thank you.
Next, we have mountain climbers and jumping. Ay, jumping. Ay, nandiyo kasi ako. Ali, itang kakadwa na eh. Plank jacks. Okay. Next, we have mountain climbers and plank jacks. This exercise target the core, upper body, and burn fat effectively. The first exercise is mountain climbers. The first step is push up position. And alternate the pit.
Good,
2, 3, go. And the second exercise is plank jack. The first step is position, then jump feet in and out.
Now we will perform burpees and long jump with jog back. These are full body exercise that improve strength, speed, and endurance. The first exercise we will do is burpees. The first step is squat. The second step is push up. And then the last step is jump. Okay, we will do jump. The second exercise we will do is long jump with jog back. The first step we will do long jump and jog back. Long jump. Thank you guys.
For the last one is the jumping lunge. So this jumping lunge help us to maintain our posture, balance, and strengthen our lower body. So we're gonna execute it by following my instruction, which is, let's start with this position. Second one, then bend it. Then your knee should be on the floor. Then that's it. You need to execute it by doing like this. Again. Keep repeating, then you will be executed. That's it. Thank you.